This is an electrical symbols chart. One clean reference sheet of every symbol you actually need to read a schematic. No wall of 100 pictures in no order. Just the essential set, taught in labeled groups, each symbol with its name and a one-line meaning. Here is the deal. We walk the groups fast, and then the whole thing snaps together into a single full-screen chart. When that chart lands, pause the video and screenshot it. Keep it on your phone. That is the plan. Group 1. Before the symbols, the trick that makes them stick. Every symbol is just a small picture of what the part does. A battery is stacked plates. A resistor is a zigzag that slows current down. A lamp is a glowing circle. Learn the picture, and the name follows. This chart is sorted into 8 groups: power and sources, switches, loads and lamps, the 3 passives, semiconductors, ground and earth, protective devices, and meters. Read it group by group, and the whole set fits in your head. Group 1. Group 1, power and sources. This is where the energy comes from. A cell is one short line and one long line. The long line is positive. Stack a few, and you have a battery. A DC source is a circle with a plus and a minus, steady one-directional current. An AC source is a circle with a sine wave inside, current that swaps direction. Cell, battery, DC, AC, 4 ways to draw the supply. That is column 1 of your chart. Group 2, switches. These open and close the circuit. A simple switch is a break in the line with a lever that lifts away. A push button is one you hold. A little cap on 2 contacts, closed only while pressed. A two-way switch has a common terminal and 2 paths for stair lighting, where 2 switches control 1 light. And a relay is a coil that throws a switch for you, an electrically operated switch. Switch, button, two-way relay. Open, hold, redirect, and remote control the circuit. Group 3, the loads and lamps. These turn current into something useful. A lamp is a circle with a cross, or a circle with a loop. It glows. A motor is a circle with a capital M. It spins. A buzzer or bell makes sound. And a heater, or any resistive load, is often just a rectangle. Lamp glows, motor spins, buzzer sounds, heater warms. The output side of every circuit. Group 4, the 3 passives you meet everywhere. Resistor, capacitor, inductor. A resistor is a zigzag or a plain rectangle in the international style. It resists current. A capacitor is 2 parallel plates. It stores charge and blocks steady current. An inductor is a coil of loops. It stores energy in a magnetic field. And a variable resistor, or potentiometer, adds an arrow across the resistor, a dial you can turn. Resistor resists, capacitor stores charge, inductor stores a field. 3 shapes, 3 jobs. Group 5, the semiconductors, the one-way and switching parts. A diode is a triangle pointing into a bar. Current flows the way the triangle points and is blocked the other way. An LED is that same diode with 2 little arrows leaving it because it gives off light. And a transistor is a small amplifier or switch, 3 legs, drawn as a circle with an arrow that tells you the type. Diode one way, LED lights up, transistor switches and amplifies. Group 6, ground and earth, plus the wiring marks. These are the ones people skip and then misread the whole diagram. Ground is the 0-volt reference, drawn as 3 shrinking lines. Chassis ground is a little rake instead. And on the wires themselves, a solid dot where 2 lines cross means they are joined. A plain crossover with no dot means they pass by untouched. That single dot decides what is actually connected. Earth reference, chassis ground, and the junction dot. Small marks, big consequences. Group 7, protective devices. A fuse is a thin link that melts if the current runs too high, drawn as a rectangle or a small oval on the line. A circuit breaker does the same job, but resets. These cut the power before something burns. In Group 8, the meters. An ammeter is a circle with an A and it measures current. A voltmeter is a circle with a V and it measures voltage. An ohm meter, the Greek omega, measures resistance. Fuse and breaker protect, A, V, and omega measure. Here it is, The whole electrical symbols chart on one screen. Every group we covered, laid out as a clean reference grid you can actually read. This is the frame to screenshot. Pause the video right now, capture it, and keep it on your phone. That is your pocket electrical symbols chart. If you want the printable PDF version with hundreds more symbols in a search box, the full symbol chart page is on the site, and the link is right below. So that is the chart. Power and sources, cell, battery, DC, AC, switches, switch, button, two-way relay, loads, lamp, motor, buzzer, heater, the passives, resistor, capacitor, inductor, the semiconductors, diode, LED, transistor, ground and earth, the fuse and breaker, and the A, V, and omega meters. Screenshot the chart, print the full version when you want the rest, and go read a real schematic. It is all free in your browser, and the link is right below. Subscribe if this made the symbols finally click, and I will see you in the next one.